Hello and welcome to the online video for number 43 Middleton Road here in King's Heath. This lovely spacious 4-bedroom mid-terrace property is located along a quiet road but close to King's Heath High Street amenities, also benefiting from a good sized garden to the rear along with a detached garage. Okay, and then moving into the property, we're straight into the first reception room here. Lovely high ceilings. And a good sized window as well, providing lots of natural light into the room. So then we have an inner lobby area here and a door to the right hand side which leads to the understairs storage area and also access down to the cellar. And next up we're going into the second reception room. A lovely cast iron gas coal effect stove as a focal point to this room. And we also have stairs leading up to the first floor just in the corner. And then through to the kitchen, we've got an integrated cooker and hob with extractor above. And then there's space for a tall fridge freezer, also dishwasher. And then we've got a rear lobby with storage area to the right hand side. And then there's also the door to outside from here. And we also have the ground floor shower room, which also has space and plumbing for the washing machine as well. Recently refitted with the fully tiled shower cubicle, WC and wash basin, which also has a storage cupboard below as well. Okay, so next up we've got the first floor accommodation. So we've got 2 bedrooms and the bathroom on here, and then this landing space which has the door leading to the staircase up to the second floor. First bedroom here, the front of the property. Really nice double bedroom size. And then across to the next bedroom, which also has a built-in cupboard housing the gas boiler. And we've got the window to the rear aspect. And then moving across, we've got a recently fitted bathroom. A lovely peach-shaped bath with shower above, WC and wash basin with storage below. Okay, then up onto the second floor, we've got the landing area with loft access just above us, where there is a pull down loft ladder and a partly boarded storage area up in the loft. And then the next bedroom having a Velux window to the rear aspect. And then across to the bedroom at the front of the property. Again, a really good size. This room also has a built-in cupboard with shelving space. And an aspect to the front here as well. Okay, and then we can just see where the right of way from the rear of the property, and then that's the front from the road, which then leads along this access lane to the rear to access the garage. And then, as we can see, we've got parking area in front of the garage here. And then the lane just leading back out onto Middleton Road. Okay, and then moving outside, we've got the first flagged garden section, which then leads across the right of way. To the left hand side, it takes you to the lane, which then runs around to access the garage. Well, we've got the main garden area here. Where we've got a little vegetable patch here on the right hand side, and a further patio, which then leads down to the detached garage. Which offers a good deal of space and has the up and over door leading through to the front. And that concludes the online viewing for this property. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please contact the office as soon as you can, and we hope to speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.